We are here in Kotavi shop. Hello. Very cheap supermarket. Oh, there's a plant there. Okay, let's see. Wow, 480. 99. What is my gift? Oh, it's wow. I think it's small until here. Nice. Wow. They're so cheap there. It's a bazaar bargain. For Christmas gift. We're looking for a Christmas gift.
Okay, teacher na, walk.
Okay, teacher.
About? Six na?
Six. Okay.
Six o'clock.
Okay.
Wait at the in front of.
Okay. Thank you, teacher. Yeah. Let's buy.